I'm Nicole from DoMyOwn.com. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most annoying insects around, mosquitoes. At DoMyOwn.com, you're going to find a wide selection of all the products that you need for effective mosquito control, including things like larvicides, mosquito sprays, repellents, mosquito misting systems, and our mosquito control kits. DoMyOwn's mosquito control kits combine all the products that you need to control a mosquito problem into one cost-effective package. Each kit contains a mosquito larvicide and a mosquito spray, with the various kits specific to your level of infestation and application needs. Different kits save you time and money from having to select those products that you might need individually. Mosquito larvicides work by stopping the immature mosquitoes from developing into breeding biting adults. You can treat water that will not seep into the ground or other bodies of water, such as flower pots, rainwater gatherers, and containerized ponds. Insecticide sprays labeled for mosquitoes can help control an infestation and prevent mosquitoes from repopulating around your home. The mixture can be sprayed on the undersides of leaves on trees and bushes, in dense brush, tall grasses, under decks, and also on the underhangs of structures, and in other moist, shady areas. Be sure you're getting the spray on the undersides of the leaves or the foliage. If you're in an area where the mosquito population is especially high, we recommend adding an insect growth regulator to your insecticide spray solution. Adding that IGR is going to help reduce how often you need to reapply, as the reproduction cycle is going to have been interrupted. We also carry mosquito misting systems. They can make it easy to control the mosquitoes since they work on a timed system, dispensing a certain amount of insecticide concentrate over a specified period of time. Mosquito repellents are also a really great way to protect yourself and your family from the mosquito bites. Mosquitoes can carry diseases like West Nile virus, so it's really important to know how to repel them and prevent bites and itching. It's gonna take time and a combination of products to help reduce and prevent mosquitoes in your yard. In addition to sanitation, like keeping your grass cut short, pruning your trees, emptying containers of water, and removing yard debris, multiple treatments might be needed to control a mosquito infestation in your yard. So it's always really important to read the product label of every product you're using before you use it. To prevent your yard from being overrun with mosquitoes during peak times, we recommend starting your mosquito treatment at the very beginning of the mosquito season. And it's really that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more instructional and product videos. Thanks for watching.